and there is an entry like the one I saw at Treasury.
Yes.
Yeah.
We can do that.
And we're not going to accept huyo mtu akilipa. I'm told he has so many kiosks even he has put on the road. This guy called Tosha. He's the same person who has put all these tractors on the road. And there was a very bad accident here, which crashed people we can even not identify. Mwambie kesho
Yes, sir.
zote tukipata hizo tractor hapo nitavuta zote.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
I'll take it up.
Because he has been spoken to softly, he doesn't want to hear.
Okay, sir.
An accident happened here, nasikia it crashed, including the driver. You could not identify. Is not that the case? There was an accident here. Now, it hit those tractors, those machines there. And he has not learned. Mwambie if not the case, utafunga hiyo mafuta yake.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
I'll talk to you.
Mwambie tu hivyo.
Okay, sir.
Hataki story nyingine. Ile mafuta ya hewa alikuwa anaweka, mwambie hawezi ifanya sasa. We cannot accept. Atoe hizo tractor kwa barabara because it's endangering the lives of innocent people. Even I'm surprised that he has never been arrested by the police because of his machinery's caused accident there. Yeah. Kwani yeye ni nani? Who is he? Mwambie by Monday, I don't want to see any machinery on the road there.
Okay, sir.
Atafute mahali anaweka. Kama anakuja tukondishe hapa, we can give him space. But we can't accept. Yeah, endangering innocent citizens who are using the road. Yeah. Sasa.
Your Excellency, my suggestion, all the vehicles, and those ones that are found should be brought here for verification that they get allocated afresh.
No, we'll send a special team ambaye haiwezi ndanganya. Iende to sub-counties because again we can't repeat what we did. People may think we are joking. Wacha tutume watu wawili watatu nyumbani kwa nguvu tu.
We'll do the ones for the county, Excellency. These are the ones you can get someone to.
Yeah. Let us ascertain how many vehicles we have here.
Yes.
Yeah.
That by Monday we shall have that.
Sasa.
Okay, sir.
Na mtu yeyote ambaye hakuwa ameleta gari, wacha tujue ni nani.
I'll come with the records.
And we agreed all the vehicles mechanical department must ascertain which vehicle is fit for use. You have seen some of them, they don't have even tires. And they are on the road. Mbaka, you must wake from your slumberland.
Correct, Your Excellency.
Tafadhali, let us help our people.
Yeah,
We are the people on stage, bro.
that is it.
Eh?
I support you, Your Excellency.
Yeah, these people, there is much expectation from them. Eh? I'm giving you this week, Waziri.
Yes, sir.
Make sure umefix hiyo kitu.
I will, Your Excellency.
Na wewe hospitalini, I want to get a report, status report. And even those all the other vehicles that which are down, let us get the status report. Sawa, kuwa na usiku mzuri. Or there is another vehicle that leta ile gari iko Nyamataro. Ile gari mzee ilete.
It's also one at the Karoka.
And the one at Keroka. We have, if it's service, we have even the mechanical team here, which is specialized doing that. I don't know why you should take them to these people. Kwa sababu mnapata, and that money is too small.
Excellency, these vehicles will handle the old regime.
Yeah.
It's not doing our time, Excellency.
But you see, there is no old regime. Now we are the people in power.
You can allow us, Your Excellency, so that finance and me and him, we can follow it up and then you can.
Please, get both of the vehicles. Like the one which has been there for 3 years. A new vehicle. Like the case of that grader for 4 years at Gesieka. Only 120,000. It's being used now.
This one is in Kisumu, has it come back?
The one from CMC Market.
Which?
It's a new one.
A new vehicle. And there is another vehicle which this guy, is it Okumu? This
There's one for Okumi, Excellency. The one which is in
not Okumu.
Toyota.
Not Okumu. This guy who was involved in an accident here in Karoka, you must be knowing, a new vehicle. Then he went ahead, condemned it as a write-off, auma.
That vehicle, Your Excellency, we did due diligence,
Mhm.
and it was condemned by the insurance, and it was resolved. Perhaps the only problem was procedure wasn't followed, Your Excellency. It was actually so good.
And that insurance has not paid the county.
Yes,
Is something.
that's what
is-
is outstanding, Your Excellency.
It's something that the county Anthony must follow up.
Yes, sir. That was condemned by the insurance. They must have done something, and then it was resold back.
Ama Mbaga, I'm doing a wrong thing.
No.
Eh?
It
I
is-
should be sleeping.
No.
Eh?
You really woken people.
Hmm?
You've woken them. Even the thieves are running away. Nowadays,
Are you sure?
yeah, the thieves are running away.
No,
Napata
no.
hewa kidogo.
No. You see, what we are doing is that nobody, no angel will fall from heaven. We must be angels of our
You
own
have to
time.
fix it.
Eh?
You have to fix it, Your Excellency.
Imagine if we run it down now. What are we doing?
You're right.
We are not saying again we are angels. We can only do our best.
We're doing our bit.
Yeah. Kwa hivyo, let us meet Monday.
Yes,
I hope some things will be done tomorrow correctly. Tuone vile mambo yanakwenda. Sasa,
Sasa, Your
Yeah.
Excellency.
what do you want?
Ufunge hii maneno.
How do you want me to close it? Wangwana, what we are saying is this. I gave a directive, and my director communicated to all the chief officers, CECs, and employees of the county who have been using county vehicles. Now that even fuel is unbearable, I don't see where I'm going to get fuel to facilitate some people to be using the vehicles of the county, even at midnight, over the weekend, to go and pick their girlfriends, to pick sand from rivers, and then we sit as if things are normal. I've just decided to walk tonight to see for myself the status of the vehicles. Of course, I found out that a good number of chief officers and the CECs, they parked their vehicles on Friday at Treasury. But few of them, and those few, have said they are not going to use a vehicle. Those few, they are not going to use a vehicle. You're not going to allocate them any vehicle. Wacha watumie mguu. And that's all. And anybody who used this vehicle or the vehicle of the county to his place of stay has to be surcharged. That's all. Again, we have decided we are not very holy. All of us, we are sinners. But we must stop at a certain point. We must have a turning point in this county. These thieves, they are not going to scare us away. We must chase them around. With their godfathers, we don't care what they believe in. We'll stop them. And I'm happy that the trend, and Mbaka, you are saying these thieves, they are on the run.
They are on the run.
Some of them, when it's too hard, will harden our ways of dealing them. Therefore, my humble request to the Mwananchi, tafadhali, anywhere, if you get the report, send it to us. Post in our groups so that we can get that information. There is a vehicle from Kiambu, which was in a construction site here. Written Kiambu County. We're going to jointly work with my colleagues, governors, and the government agencies to bring some sanity a bit. And I want to ask the police, these guys of mine, especially the drivers, who don't have their work ticket signed, please give me the names, all of them. We surcharge them and they face disciplinary actions. Otherwise, I want to wish my people well. I'm up, and I'll wake up earlier. I'll sleep late for my people to see how we can be able to fix Kisii. It is sick. We are trying to make sure it will work. And again, Dr. Ndemo,
Yes.
there's a lot of noises in town. I've driven, there is a lot of noise from bars. I'm happy that we have procured the noise detector. or meter. I'm looking forward to see some actions again taken on those buyers. Kama mtu anajifanya nini vinjari, kuna watoto wanaenda shule hapa. Hatuwezi kuwa na bars ambazo zinapiga kelele kila mahali all over. Kama mtu anakunywa pombe yake akunywe. Kama you want to play music, soundproof your bar. That's all. Kisii naende. Nta ito tenga lero amapinga na lero tindarara. It's midnight now. Na ataka koligireli a directive na arwet, which is a director ya fleet management. Na communicative ya sana. Nagali chonsi pichie county. Chigali chonsi pichie county. Weka saa 12 kamili. Chonsi lazima chive cha parking as a parking ye government. Ye arenge treasury. Lero ne weekend na achire na nyolre. Chigali chief officer chiane na abasi abange chigali chabo nochire. Lakini nanyora bake batakole thiki bakali ne chigali echo inka abande chi director neji director echi nyinge echireta chigali chabo chinya bagatiga e parking bama utumia chigali cheto che county kuchinka chiabo na every week Monday montonde Wednesday gali etarenge parking tagotumia gali agotumia okugoro kuchibuoye naende montonde Wednesday nda montonde Wednesday omokolie gas we county obwate gali nka we Monday akoba sa charged ese period yabwate gali yenga ndaite kuma nkali nganye tumire ndoligo chutumia chigali che county gosomba chinsiaga gosomba matafari gosomba obuoyo lazima tobe chinga tulende oburai twairu nabana inchi tobakorere gas amavuta bono ebintu byakongire amavuta akali 200 ngakitora abekira omonto amavuta ochiro otigire chigali cha echinya tumubekira amavuta agende nkane gali e county ebikoli ebitwa debere mbigo kolekana bochoni obulazima butubwere abayibi aba lazima baromomba mnyuki na atebire aba driver chonspi lazima chirwe eskuru naende korokia gosemba maet kogendia chigali ondo utamanyiti amanyali gasi agokora igo otherwise ni tubono tole stage lazima twake esegi engia yokorosia kusia ito monta yoja otokonya lazima tuikonye tukabanya igona very directive na nyole chigali chonsi ipi chiroro chiri chitayo mne imwante ebienya enyo mondo imande itabwati gali agenda atumie ya mukaya biashara ebiere igo thank you
action kiwate kinaenda on the same note kwa nyora abande paka bana b'esukuru maybe wito wako kwa kwanza kwa gocha se the young girl wale school
nta banga kelnege ntukie ogoichana sana abana baigete form 2 form 3 banyolera abana bachire nyagitari naende mbobwati no embesa chokurwaliwa bono kuruba bwatu gitunya gitari emetinye ebere yaetire yende abande 3 kwanza ndagira baragira ororo yaetani no nejibesa chiri yakorete ntukieke chiri balinge bwakana nate banko bakanira nde nusu echibesa echo bakana echinde abana abagenda lakini ndete kuboli abayiboli n'abalimu nechi chief kaki somi omwana omwiseke n'omumura bamanye indi bawanza okora obosani nimaete ebintu ebi nebikon lazima lakini tobirose mbigo konga chinga kichonse lazima tuike as chinga ki towonchoka na wetu enkominyoka igonda itukubasaba ngaki abantu baminto enyagitari nagokirero ngaki nagenda ororo nanyolera maliogo nale pharmacy naendelero tali omwana funzi ole pharmacy n'umunyagitari omunyino ole pharmacy pole sana na igunga accident yape ni bugirango embe abantu baitu babiri bakwa bantu batatu bakule se accident yeli esenge enju yeji driver cha enkominyokani okikoli ki customer ki driver no chuga asune kibesa naki ka kiti atolenda buguma bw'abantu is very painful ng'omuntu engogende gasi aya yakubona mwambie senge enju omuntu enkominyoka na inwe kero mukoli negali abana inji omuntu gakoendie egali mukani ose muiki korume muite chinkundi beke gali kando rangilia basikali ekera mbuya gocha itu chinkundi libaga abantu bomiete nagenda naro abantu bomiete sana nyakitali gali bantu mbobwati maiso mbobwati maino babutugeta amaoko esenge nje abantu baenkominyoka gochikubugolia abantu none chisako chiri naende ntati kumanya daktari ne ntati kumanya chisako chiri esake lazima NTSA echiteneni nto wanja bikoli binabiri para chito jamteyo acha te abantu bakominyokani na goita abantu baitu bosa enyagitari nkobere moyo estoikire bono mbuya tole none chibese chiri nkoibwa lero ntete ko reporting aki korwa milioni 47 ekero basangiriti igoropi ni milioni 67 bono iga KTRH etogosangiriri milioni 160 igokoranga ebintu mbiyabire amariogo na aroro aso boibibole nechi county sub counties lakini abaibibali nko baikera tole nande nko baikera namoko myoko chesi bali babalendete tinko bayera I'll deal with you family inere language abaibia bagwanje mbiamono nyasaba sesene thank you good night
Good night.
ah